What if one AI tool could help you create videos, websites, content, and actually make you $100 to $500 per day without any skills? That's exactly what AI Titan 2.0 promises. But does it actually work? Or is it just another overhyped AI tool? Let's find out. If you decide to get AI Titan 2.0, make sure you use the link in the description. Because I'm giving away exclusive bonuses worth $5,999 plus that can literally help you turn this into a real income system. And trust me, these bonuses are what actually make the difference. What is AI Titan 2.0? AI Titan is an all-in-one AI command center that replaces 25 plus expensive AI tools with one single dashboard. Instead of using different platforms for writing, designing, video creation, voiceovers, and websites, this tool does everything in one place. And the best part? It's a one-time payment, no monthly fees. Benefits: why people are interested. Here's why people are jumping on this right now. Save up to $6,000 plus per year, no tech skills needed, beginner-friendly. Create content, videos, funnels in minutes, and start selling services and earn $100, $500 plus per client. And the biggest advantage? You eliminate tool overload. No more switching apps. No more paying subscriptions. No more confusion. Inside AI Titan, you're getting AI content writer, blogs, ads, emails, scripts, AI video creator, shorts, reels, promos, AI voice generator plus voice cloning, AI image generator, 4K visuals, graphics, AI avatars and spokesperson videos, website and funnel builder, AI agents, automate tasks like a team, and 1 terabyte cloud storage plus hosting. Plus, commercial license included, 100,000 credits, and fully cloud-based, no installation needed. This is basically like having a full digital business system in one tool. Honest pros and cons. Now let's be real. Pros: all in one platform, saves massive monthly costs, beginner-friendly, multiple income opportunities, and no technical skills needed. Cons: too many features, can feel overwhelming at first, requires internet connection, and not a done-for-you money machine. You need action. But overall, for the price, the value is actually very strong. Results: what to expect. With AI Titan, you can start freelancing, create YouTube and social media content, build funnels and AMP, websites, offer services on Fiverr, Upwork, and promote affiliate offers. Some people are charging $50 to $500 plus per service. But remember, this is a tool, not magic. Your results depend on how you use it. Now here's where things get really powerful. If you grab AI Titan through my link, you'll get Bonus 1, live training, 0-hour, 10K month, step-by-step roadmap to turn AI Titan into a full-time income machine. Bonus 2, all-in-one AI command center. Learn how to manage your entire business from one dashboard. Bonus 3, 8-figure business builder. Kit, proven templates, scripts, and frameworks used by top marketers. Bonus 4, auto content creator system. Turn AI Titan into a viral content machine. Up to 8 bonuses. Total value, $5,999 plus. Yours free. Limited time only. So, is AI Titan 2.0 worth it? If you want one tool instead of 25, no monthly fees, AI-powered automation, and a way to build an online income, then yes, it's definitely worth trying. So if you're serious, click the link in the description. Grab AI Titan 2.0 and secure all bonuses before they expire. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.